This is Pallavi Chavan. Today's our topic is conditional statement in C. What is conditional statement? Conditional statement is help to make a decision based on certain condition. These conditions are satisfied by a set of conditional statement having Boolean expression which are evaluates to a Boolean value true or false. There are some types of conditional statement in C. If statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, if else, ladders, switch statement. Today we see if statement and if else statement. Now see first if statement. The single if statement in C language is used to execute the code if a condition is true. It is also called one-way selection statement. How if statement work? If the expression evaluates to true, then if block statement are execute. Otherwise, if the expression evaluates to false, then control passes to next statement following it. Now see the syntax of conditional statement and syntax and flowchart of conditional statement. If expression is true, then code to be execute. Otherwise, we exit from the if statement. Now we see one example on if statement. Here the we check number is even or not. Let's see here. Include header files, then main function. Accept one number from user, then check number is even or not. If the condition is satisfied, then execute part of the loop. Otherwise, the statement is false. We have exit the if loop. Now we see next if else statement. How if else statement work? The if else statement in C language is used to execute the code if condition is true or false. It is also called two-way selection statement. Now see syntax of if else statement. Here if expression is true, then if block is execute. Otherwise else block is expression is false, then else block is execute. How if else statement works? If the expression evaluates to true, then if block statement is execute. Otherwise, if the expression evaluates false, then else block is execute. Now see here the flowchart of if else statement. Now see one more example on if else statement. Here in this example we check number is even or odd. Here the header file are include in main function. Number is accept from user. Then if statement condition is check number is even or not. The condition is satisfied. The condition is satisfied. Then if block is execute means number is even. Otherwise the condition is false. Then else part will be execute. This else part is number is odd. Number is odd. This is a example on if else statement. Thank you.